Today I will be showing to you my progress on Pantherswap after 7 days. As you can see here in my video, I did a recent $20,000 challenge starting from $350, and I've staked around 175 Pantherswap, which I actually earned from Alien Worlds. So um, as you can see here, I'm gonna go back into my video stuff. I've created a Pantherswap video last 6 days ago, and currently I got my 50% back. So if you see here, it says 16.92, but earlier, last 1 day and 6 hours ago, I've already withdrawn $50 from the platform. Okay, so if you sum it up, 50.91 plus 16, that's giving me 67.91. And you remember, I've put it 175 Garuda, and um, let's see the current value of this Panther-BUSD LP. So let's do this times, we're going to multiply it by the current LP worth of Panther-BUSD, which is 4.395, and it shows 172. So it gives me around 10%, 10%, rather 10 to $15 increase. Why? Because when I've put my money inside the Pantherswap, it is not really 175 because you need to pay for some fees, for network fees and stuff. So I probably get around 160. If I'm correct, I got 160, and then Pantherswap goes up by 2.3. However, in this video, the current price is around 1.5. So that's really good job. That's a really good job. That's a pretty much increase in spike over here. So uh, as you can see here as well, Pantherswap is now number 2 in the top decentralized finance app in DappRadar.com. And always remember that DappRadar is a good website for you to find great projects inside the platform. And if you remember, Pantherswap is around this area right here, 17 to 18 the spot, and right now it's on the number 2 chart. It Last night it was at number 3, and right now they passed Pancake Bunny, which is more like the subsidiary of Pancakeswap. So what the hell is this Pantherswap, and why a lot of people are putting their money inside the platform? So I'm gonna give you some real tour here. So uh, as you can see here, um, they've recently added uh, Pantherswap inside this exchange, I think, because before you need to exchange your money inside here, and you'll be paying a lot of what do you call that? You'll be paying a lot of money inside. Actually, I think you're going to pay around 5% for using their exchange and liquidity. So it's pretty much costly a few days ago. However, right now, since they've just launched the AMM, now you can probably trade your BNB or your BUSD into Panther. And it's really easy. You just need to click, let's say, your BNB, then click the amount, and then it will give you a specific, uh, what do you call that? It will give you a corresponding amount of Panther. So as you can see here, you can just click the swap button, and then you will be prompted into your MetaMask, which you will pay a gas fee, and I think that's it. So um, compared compared to last week, okay, I don't think if it is being shown here, but I'm gonna check it out for a moment. I think it's not okay. it's not really shown. So before, the TVL, or the total value lock, is around 100 million. Okay. And right now, after 7 days, the total value lock is around 280 million. So that's around 3x on the jump of TVLs. And that is the reason also why the farms nowadays are pretty much lower. As you can see here, it's just giving me 5.33%. However, in my previous video, it's giving me around, let's see here. It's giving me 2,898 APR. So right now I'm getting around 1,943 APR, which is not really bad at all, considering that Panther is pretty much doing its own milestone and killing the game as well. So it's number two, and as you can see here, they do have an audit that they do have a tech rate and certic, which I've already explained in my previous video. And assuming that the certic audit report got finished, probably this TVL will jump up to 500 million or more than that. So when I've entered in this platform, it doesn't have an AMM yet. And I've pretty much known that when the AMM launch, there will be a lot of people that will put money in this platform. And that is why I've took advantage of putting my money inside here, and I'm on my 50% ROI. Okay, so I'm pretty much on the break even. So I just need to continue and just wait for me to have this, to get my another 50% inside Pantherswap. So it's really good because it has the lottery, which is the same as Pancakeswap. It also have a jungle, which you can launch your own project, that you can, you can create your own project here, which you will give as well the APR and your stake. You can also join the pools right here. If you don't like Pantherswap coin, you can probably do BUSD. You can also do WBNB. If you combine this one into Pancakeswap, let's say, okay, I'm going to show it to you real quick. If you will combine it here, okay, here in AutoCade it's giving you 0.25. However, here in Panther it's giving you around, if here, where is the BUSD part here? Other things here. For a moment, please. So, however, if you've put if you stake cake here, if you're going to go here in Pantherswap, it's giving you 0.69. However, in Pancakeswap, it's just giving you around 0.25. So that's times 3. So as you can see here, you're going to get 2.97 Panther per 1,000 USD, which is gonna give you around $6 per day. However, here you're going to get 0.07 cake, which if you times it up by 36, or just rather divide this by 3, and you're probably gonna get 2 to 3 USD per day. So that's pretty much lower than Pantherswap, knowing that they've secured the platform really, really well. So as you can see here, they do have a market cap of around 55,000, which previously they do have only 21,000. So everything is doing well in this platform. A lot of people are putting their money here. It's really secure. It's really good. They are having a lot of listings available, and I'll probably, if I do have a spare money, I'm just going to put it here. Actually, my long-term plan here is to get my money back, and then I'm just going to keep my profits reinvested here, or maybe I'm just gonna keep on getting these free dollars from staking Panther. So that is it for this video, guys. For you to as well put Panther just like what I've explained, you're just going to compute it. So you're just going to transfer it. So let's say you have 0.2 BNB, just swap this one out here, and then probably you will get a specific amount of Panther. So um, like what if it like what's shown here, it's giving me 59 for 0.2. You just need to swap it and it will appear in Pantherswap. Now for the liquidity, I think you can also do it here rather than doing it here, because they're having 5% tax. Okay, so of course these kinds of fees can't be avoided, because of course these fees are paying these liquidity pools right here, like this one. So don't really get frustrated if you are paying pretty much big fees, because you are also earning that here. Okay, the longer you've put your money here, okay, you can make more money as well, because um this is basically the investment that you just need. You'll get a shares. Okay, you're it looks like you're investing inside the Pantherswap as well. That is why it's a good deal. However, I'm not also a financial advisor, so please do your own diligence on investing, and always use money that you can afford to lose. Okay, so your money is your own responsibility. So that is it for this video, guys. Overall thoughts, I think Pantherswap is a really good yield farming APR if you're looking for more quality based swap projects that has a good foundation, and it also has a high APR. And then I would recommend Pantherswap. Okay, and the even though it is a Pancakeswap fork, they are really doing great job of keeping the platform safe, and I think they will have more pools to be staked inside soon. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this one. Please do subscribe into my channel, which is Crypto Addict. I do have 8.69 subscribers. I would really appreciate if you will subscribe as well, and please do subscribe for our free giveaway. So that's it. See you on the next video.